Kucherov there. Blue center it. And knocked out of danger by Garrison. The Lightning long pass down to Johnson. He's got great speed. He comes in. And what a glove save by Elliott. And it's loose and covered. Another brilliant save by Brian Elliott. On a 2-on-1. What a chance here. And a better save by Brian Elliott.
Well, we talked before this game about both teams having 6 forwards that could score, but this has been a exhibition by the goaltenders now. This save here on Kucherov off a little chip right there, and the fine young Russian gets robbed by Brian Elliott. It ends up on his back. Butler makes a nice little pass, kind of the opposite side right there, and what a redirection, knocking it downwards by Jaden Schwartz. And before that, as I mentioned, 2 good leg pad saves down low by Bishop.
Now around the goal, Callahan in front, rebound, Filppula! And that was stopped by Elliott, maybe off the goalpost, and then he covers as Filppula had another glorious chance.
Yep. Here the clank off the pipe, and Filppula struggling right now, trying to cash in. But this play here behind the net, what a play from behind. The shot right off the pipe. He gets a lot on it, and clearly it beats the goaltender. But here's the play before I was talking about Gunnarsson. Oh, the backhander through traffic, and Bishop was able to get that right pad down low.
And off the face-off, Callahan in front, and near the goal crease was checked. Lightning steal it, and it's covered by Brian Elliott.
It's a good thing.
And
Bill
now they
Elliott,
slash. Stamkos and Backus get involved.
You bet. They're battling here.
And then Garrison races in.
And now Callahan's, Jackman's got